I know many of you are looking for stocks to hold for their growth potential. VectorVest has several different ways to help you to find and invest in those stocks. This week, I will reveal one of those ways. You really don't want to miss this. I'm going to do another segment that uses the power of the VectorVest software, and it's called Growth Stocks. Also in the Unisearch tool, for how many people are looking for longer-term growth stocks? Type a me in the room. I know I've got a little bit of a delay, but type a me in the room for those of you who are looking for longer-term growth stocks. Type a me. I know it's there. You go. All right, so I see the me's coming up. I'm going to show you again the power of the software to easily find these kinds of stocks. You ready? On your mark, get set, go. All right, so notice that in the searches, we have stocks for searches retirement. We've got a lot of different searches specifically for those people who are looking for their longer term plays. I also have searches conservative. 2 spots where you can go to find your longer term plays. Searches conservative, here's those kinds of searches, and searches retirement, here's these kinds of searches. All right, I'm going to go to searches prudent, and here's a search in here called USA's best growth and income stocks. Find stocks rated either a buy or oh, they can't see that. Oh yeah, you got to take me off for a second. Take me off.
Can't see it behind you?
Yeah, they can't see behind me. No, I can't see. I'm looking at the screen where I need to use. I know what I'm doing. Leave me alone. All right. So notice in the comment section, where's my mouse? Notice in the comment section, find stocks rated either a buy or hold with well above average safety. So these are stocks that are not risky. Above average growth rate, earnings growth rate at 10%, and above average VST above the YSG. The stocks are sorted by our 2 indicators, VST plus YSG. This combines the power of VST with the power of our mighty YSG indicator. All right, put those 2 together, and here, tell you what I'm going to do. I don't want you to go see all of the stocks that are found. All right, so I'm going to bring up just the top 1 stock. I'm going to stop giving you all this stuff for free. All right. So what kind of stocks will this search bring for high income or high growth? Top stock here is TMO. All right. Top stock here is TMO. I will analyze it though. All right. The stock's price is at $510 with a value of $559. The stock is currently undervalued. I like that. All right. The stock's got an upside potential 1.43. This stock has got good upside potential as compared to a AAA corporate bond. Relative safety, 1.45 is one of the safest stocks out of the 8,300 stocks that we track. All right? Relative timing, 1.48. This stock is in an uptrend. VST, 1.46. How about it's got an earnings per share of $18.2, $18.20. They grow their earnings at a clip of 20% a year. How many of you like this stock? All right, let me back up. How many of you know of this stock? How many of you know of this stock? Type a me in the room. All right, this live video autoplayed. I guess I'm learning about stocks today. There you go. How many of you know of this stock? Excellent. How much work do you think it took you to find this stock? Notice that I ran a search, and with the click of a mouse, that came up. All right, I'm going to tease you a little bit more. I'm going to put the top 5 up here. Logitech, United Healthcare, DR Horton, Humana. I know everybody in the room knows these stocks. I didn't have to listen to Kramer to know that these stocks are good. I didn't have to get a news article to know that these stocks are good. I didn't have to get an email to know that these stocks are good. I didn't have to attend some kind of a stock group gurus meeting to know that these stocks are good. I simply went to a search to find these high growth stocks, and with the click of the mouse, I got them. Guess what? For a 99-cent trial, you can get access to all of these stocks, more than just the 5, the 20, the top 50, the top 100 in the software. You can do that with that trial. What are their annual growth rates? Let's check that out. So the earnings growth rate is at 20%. All right, they grow their earnings, Susan. All of these grow their earnings at a clip of double-digit earnings growth rate. Look at that, Susan. All right, what else is in here? Let's go look at, do they pay a dividend? All of them pay a dividend, and all of them have a dividend safety of greater than 50. That's an indicator you'll find here only in VectorVest as well. If you're looking at these for dividend plays, I can tell you which ones have the higher probability of holding on to their dividends. Let's go look at sales. I can look at sales growth. Almost all of these have double-digit sales growth numbers as well, and market capitalization and all of that. Folks, you can do all of this with the click of a mouse for that 99-cent stock. Could you find the lowest stock that's growing? How about we do this? Let's go price actual. Let's do this. Less than or equal to $5. I took the same search. DJ. Let's go see the top 5. There's none that's lower than $5. All right, none that's lower than $5. Let's go see if I can get lower than $10. A lot of these stocks, DJ, that are good like this are stocks that have been around a long time, and you're not going to find cheap ones like this. Now, is there a different way that I can get something like that? If I go look at value babies, that might be another way to go. There it is, stock price actual greater than 50 cents. I'm going to put up the top 5. Let's go see. There you go. And let's go look at these earnings growth rates, DJ. I would stick with something like this, CPRX. Good earnings growth rate. Lower dollar stock. So can you do it? The answer to your question, DJ, is yes, you can. All right, yes, you can. All right, there's a lot of stuff there's a lot of flexibility within the software. Growth stocks is another topic. That's just one of several different ways to find this. Now, I'm going to go back to the portfolios. I do have.
My apologies.
Oh, shut up. Why do you do that? All right. I've got a portfolio that I built of growth stocks. I started it yesterday. It's up almost 1% today. That's not a bad way to go. I've got about 10 stocks in there, though. I'm not going to show you the stocks. All right. 99 cents can get you into this. Why is my screen not clear? Click on the gear at the bottom of the video and change it to 1080p, Millie. Click on the gear at the bottom of the video and change it to 1080p. All right? So there you go. Folks, let's talk about a couple of other portfolios that I'm running. How about on coronavirus stocks? I started that 3 days ago, 11/2. Look at it, up 5.31%. Folks, the stuff that we talk about here in Trending Thursday, all I'm doing is backing it up by looking at it in a portfolio. What else is in here? Fastest moving petroleum. We looked at the fastest clean energy. One other thing to round out this segment. All right, In the viewers tab, we got something called the Trading Systems Viewer. These are systems that are put together that you can then jump on board with. All right, these are trading systems. That's it. These are tried and true trading systems that you can jump on board with if you don't have any idea of a trading plan. All right, so I wanted to show you that. I'm going to go back to the portfolios. I set up a portfolio from the trading system for the more aggressive trader using the primary wave. 11/4 yesterday, up 3.5% off of one trading system. I won't even tell you what trading system. Oh, it is. It was the S&P 500/RT with a stop of a 2010 using the primary wave to get in. All right, here's the S&P 500 market cap by our confirmed call. All right, with our confirmed call, we have a confirmed down call. No stocks in here yet. Here's one for the middle of the road swing trader using the DEW timing signal. Started it yesterday, up almost 4% in one day. These are all portfolios from our trading systems. And then for those a little bit more aggressive, we have one with the RT kicker combo timing signal. It's a neutral signal right now, no stocks. I'm going to keep an eye on all of these portfolios. So for those of you who are still sitting on the fence for a freaking 99 cents, I am going to let you understand what you're missing out on until you got to use that link though. You got to use that link of the www.vectorvest.com/YT. It says that YT denotes YouTube. YouTube users are the only ones getting that 99-cent deal. Hey, if you like this content, guess what? You can join us live every Thursday at 2 p.m. here on YouTube. Join VV Nation. We hope to see you there.
Yeah.